In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat in Microsoft Teams Essentials. We'll walk through the process step by step, making sure you feel confident and comfortable navigating this essential communication tool. Whether you're new to Teams or just need a refresher, this guide will get you started on one of the most widely used collaboration platforms in the workplace today. To start off, the first thing you need to do is sign into Microsoft Teams. You can open the Teams application on your computer or visit it online in your web browser. On the sign-in page, enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Make sure you're signed in with the correct work or school account, especially if you have multiple accounts. This will help keep your work chats and messages organized and prevent any confusion between personal and professional communication. Once you're signed in, the next step is finding someone to chat with. In the search bar, usually located at the top of the Teams interface, type in the name of the person you want to message. As you type, Teams will automatically suggest user profiles that match your entry, allowing you to quickly select the right contact. This feature is especially useful in large organizations where several users may have similar names. It's always a good idea to double check to make sure you're connecting with the correct person, particularly if their profile picture isn't immediately visible. Now that you've found your contact, it's time to start composing your message. Click on the chat box, which will open a conversation window, and place your cursor in the message field. Here you can type whatever you want to say, whether it's a quick greeting, a question about a project, or a more detailed update. Remember, keeping your messages clear and concise helps make virtual communication as effective as face-to-face interactions. Before you hit send, take a moment to review your message, check for any typos, and make sure your points are clear to avoid misunderstandings. Once you're ready, press the enter key or click the send icon to deliver your message. After sending, your message will appear in the chat window, and you'll be able to see when your contact has read it. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to start a conversation in Microsoft Teams Essentials. Whether you're reaching out for the first time or following up on an ongoing project, mastering this process will streamline your communication and enhance collaboration. Don't forget to explore other features Teams offers like emojis, attachments, and even video calling to enrich your messaging experience even further. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting in Microsoft Teams.